Hi guys, Webb's Heath. Gusty wind, nothing good, but we'll just see if we can get this one in the air. I just tried the stunt kite and there wasn't enough wind to keep it in the air, so we'll give this one a little try just so we can say we've tried it. Come on up. Doing well then. Definitely unstable. I think we can see that. It's going off to the right. Well, on the positive side, we got it in the air. It's definitely unstable. It's twisting to one side. If it gets a strong gust, it destabilizes and goes off to the right. Well, the wind's not too strong. We can keep it up. Oh, wind's dropped completely now. So quick recap, this one cost me £1 at the recycling centre. And we have actually managed to get it in the air. It was missing one spar up the inside. That could be why it's shooting off to one side, because the one I replaced it with, or filled in the missing one, is a different thickness. So it may be, well, we'll find out. I'll go and swap them over and see if it makes a difference. Right, there's 2 spars in there that go from front to back. So if I swap them over, we'll see if that makes any difference. Right, I'll swap the spars over. So if it shoots off to the left, we know it's the strength of the spars that's causing the problem. Still going right. So it's not those spars. Although I will say it's not diving to the right quite as badly. But that might just be the wind's changed. Yeah, it's still going right. Yeah, okay, well, we've flown it. So we'll class that as a success. But I might just take it apart and take the spars out of it. That's a cheap source of replacement spars. Because it cost me £1. Replacement fiberglass spars that sort of length, when I look on eBay and Amazon and that sort of thing, they're about £4, £5 each. Well, you can bulk purchase them, get 10 or 20 of them, but you're talking a lot of money then. Just to get a kite that cost me £1 in the sky. So I think I might just say I've got myself some extra spars. The rest of it can go in the bin. If you can hear what I'm saying. If the camera's still recording, I haven't checked. Oh, and we got a kite string as well, haven't we? That'll cost you more than £1 on eBay. Summary time, we did manage to fly it. But I think I'll take it apart for parts. Thanks for watching. You'll always find more information down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. You might like to subscribe just here. Over here is my latest video on my channel. And down below is a playlist related to what you've just been watching. Thanks again for watching.